Hey, what's up? Rob here again, and in this ClickFunnels 2.0 video, I want to show you some of the marketing features inside of ClickFunnels 2.0. So let's get in there and have a look. Okay, so I'm in the main ClickFunnels 2.0 dashboard. To get into our marketing features, we come on the left-hand side here, we'll click on Marketing. And the first default screen that comes up is Workflows. Now, I've made a separate video on workflows, so check that out if you want to see that in more detail. But basically across here, you've got all of your workflows. You can filter by the ones that are live, any drafts you've got imported workflows, and any you have archived. And obviously you can create new workflows up here, as I covered in that video. Now, the next one down on this left-hand side, we've got broadcasts. Now, these are if you want to do a one-time email out to all of your list or certain members of your list. These are not, they sort of don't repeat. It's a one-time sort of a broadcast, a one-time email. So you can create those in here. You just come up to create broadcast, choose your template, or you can have your own templates as well. If you've created your own templates that you can base it on, choose that and then edit it from there. And then you can choose who is going to be the recipients of that broadcast, and then you can send it out from there. You can schedule them as well, and you can see those that you have already sent as well. So the next one down, email templates. So in here, you've got my templates, which are any templates that you've created yourself. So you can actually create an email template to base all of your emails on, so you get all of your styling, so that everything relates to your brand, however you want to style your emails. You can do that, create a template, so you don't have to start from scratch each time in the email editor. Imported are any emails that you've imported, any templates. So these are a lot of the templates already in ClickFunnels that I've already played with, and then any that you've used recently. And then, of course, you can create your own template up here with the Create Template button. That will take you through the various steps. You can pick a template to base your design on, and then you can edit from there, then save it as a template, and it will appear in My Templates here for you to use in future. The next feature is countdown timers. So these let you put countdown timers on your pages so that you can encourage customers to take action based on when the timers run out, or how the timers are working inside your funnels. So you can just go in here and create your timers. And if you want another video on that, I can make one just on that separately. Another one coming soon is events and deadlines. So you're going to be able to create events that your customers can see, and have deadlines as well that they can respond to, so that they know that they have a certain time to respond and take up those events or those offers. And then down here, you've got your DKIM key. So that's your email verification settings. That's really important you set that up. I'm going to be making a separate video on that to make sure that's done properly. So unless that's set up correctly, your emails won't all get delivered to the inboxes of your customers. A lot of them will end up in the spam. So that's very important. And then in marketing settings, you will find your personal details, your business details, your address, all of the marketing emails, your to and from email, and that kind of thing in there. So that's it. That's an overview of the marketing features inside of ClickFunnels 2.0. A lot of this is all new. ClickFunnels 2.0 is an all-in-one platform where you can do everything, or email autoresponder, you can create and host courses, you can put your videos in there, you've got membership sites, and there's loads of stuff. The list keeps going on. So if you're looking for more information on ClickFunnels, or if you're interested in taking up a trial, the standard trial is 14 days. But if you go to the link on the screen next to me, there is currently a 30-day trial, which will not only give you an extra couple of weeks to try out the software. You'll also get with that 2 weeks of free training from ClickFunnels on how to actually build your funnel. So that's actual live coaching. You're going to get a challenge where you're actually going to create your first funnel. They're also aimed to help you get your first 1,000 leads. So you're effectively going to be monetizing your ClickFunnels account whilst you've got a 30-day free trial. So it's a very clever piece of marketing from ClickFunnels. Obviously, if they can help you get up and running and making money in the first 30 days, then obviously you're going to keep your subscription going. Now that 30-day trial is it's a trial of the Funnel Hacker plan, which is the top level plan, but you can downgrade to one of the lower plans if you wish to at the end of your trial. Now, as well as what I just mentioned with the ClickFunnels training and so on, you're also going to get in total over $8,500 worth of bonuses from them. There's loads of stuff. So if you go to this link and follow the steps through, you'll see at the bottom of the page all of the things that you're going to get from them. And also you're going to get my bonus package, which is over $12,000 worth of training on how to rank any product, service, or whatever it is you want to promote on Google, on page one of Google, in under 24 hours. And that's a very powerful method. I use it regularly. It really works. You can basically drive traffic for free from page one of Google, and it's people who are actually on Google searching for stuff, you're going to get in front of those. And as I say, it doesn't cost a penny. And as a thank you for signing up for the ClickFunnels free trial with my link, you're going to get all of that for free and more. So full details are on the link there and also in the description and the pinned comment. Hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please give it a like. That really helps me. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so that you get notified when I release new content. All of that stuff helps me get my videos in front of more people like you. So check out the link. Like I said, thanks for watching. Until next time, take care.